All right, what's up, everybody? For joining me in the shop. Um, if you clicked on the video, I'm assuming you want to check out this powder coating oven that I built. Um, Hopefully, I can turn this stack of metal into a pretty cool oven that does what I want it to do. So, as you can see, um, I'm pretty limited on space. I'm working out of a small garage, and floor space is very valuable, especially when your loving wife wants to park in here in the wintertime. Um, so, I wanted to build an oven that folds down and I can roll it into the tool shed so it's not taking up valuable space in here. I've been using that oven over there for probably 10 years. I built it a long time ago, a little extra deep, modified an existing old oven, and it served me well, but I really wanted to build a bigger one. I've got a design in my head for it. Don't know if it's going to work out. Not sure if the math is mathing, but we're going to see what we can make happen. So anyway, here it is. It's not going to be a step-by-step tutorial, but you're going to kind of see how it's done. So let's see what we can do. What is up, everybody? So I'm super bummed right now. I took a whole lot of awesome video about this build, and I don't know where it went. I had a GoPro 360 hanging up from the roof that had a bunch of video of me building this thing, and the video's gone. I'm sure it's my fault, but I don't know where it went. As you can see, the oven is already built back there. I used it today. It works awesome. Made a little bit of progress since seeing me last, because I cheaped out and I only used 24 gauge metal on the sheet metal. It's pretty flexy. So instead of making it wicked heavy and putting cross braces with the tubing, I just bent up some support braces out of the same stuff, and it's that can strengthen it up quite a bit. I put some fireproof caulk around the outside edges there, and then I'm just going to start stuffing it with fireproof insulation, and I'll do that with all the walls and the top and bottom, and hopefully we'll be able to fire this bad boy up pretty soon. Okay, so as you can see, I've got the loose insulation over there. I wanted, since there was not going to be very much space between the wall and the burner box, I wanted some actual oven insulation fiberglass stuff. So I put that over the top of the burners, filled the rest in with the other fireproof insulation, and we'll put the top on. There's a walk around of the whole thing. If you were wondering what those little indents were, that's where the power cord meets up. The dimensions are 4 by 4 by 6, so obviously a little bit less inside. Here's a shot of it all folded up. You can see it's pretty narrow. I'll make a clip so that stays down a little bit tighter, but anyway. Okay, so like I said before, I'm really upset I lost all my video. There's been a lot of interest in how I did this, so I really wanted to be a little bit more in depth of how I built it, but I guess you'll just have to figure it out. But anyway, I'll just give you a quick rundown. I'll set it all up for you, and just so you know exactly how it works. So here we go. So this is the screw that kind of holds it all together when it's in storage. I ended up moving where I put the control panel. I got these little hood quick detach things from Amazon, and I wound up mounting it on the side here. So the control box goes real quick. The probe for the thermostat goes just threads in the back there. The sides for the burners, I just got these 220 volt quick connect deals. So if we can get them lined up here. Obviously there's one on both sides. And plug it in, and just like that, I've got an oven. I used smoker seal on all the tight joints. They make a high temperature seal for smokers and barbecues. And then for the larger joints, like up at the bottom and top, I used a combination of this fiberglass fireplace seal, and then an oven, like a range for your kitchen seal. When I started up, I put this stuff in the joints on the top, and it heats up really fast and maintains its heat. So like I said, I used it today. It works really nice. I would say it gets to 400 degrees in probably maybe 7 to 10 minutes and maintains its temperature just fine. It does get a little bit hot on the outside, not too hot that you can't touch it, but it gets hot. I'll show you the inside here. Forgive me, this is going to be a little wobbly. So, like I said, I've got the 4 burners. They work independently, and yeah, I don't know if there's a whole lot more to say about it. It's a pretty cool design. I have had a lot of people very interested in it. This is the first version. The second version I'm going to make, so it's a little bit different dimensions, so it folds down a little bit better and more tight. But other than that, it turned out pretty awesome, and it works just as I hoped it would. Like I said before, it's not completely efficient. It's obviously going to lose some heat because of all the joints in it, but my my need for a fold-up, less space-taking oven was way more important to me than the efficiency of it. So if I got to use a little bit more electricity in lieu of having it take up so much space, it's worth it to me, I guess. So there you go. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your buddies, comment down below. The more you do that, the more I can build cool stuff like this. Appreciate you guys.